day. I think I heard about a new person coming. She's a girl. So maybe we could become buddies. I don't really know though, so we'll see at least. Let me get dressed, then I'll go see them. Good morning, Sammy. Too bad I can't feed you. I don't really. Okay. Now let's change. I think that has to look nice. Okay. Now let's meet the new neighbors. Doopy doopy doop 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 doop. It's not raining either. Oh, it looks like they made mailboxes. I got 25 monies. Awesome. I think this is the new building. And maybe later we'll check out Sam. Hello, who are you? I forgot my own name. Oh my, my name is Jada. What's yours? Oh, hello, I'm Kayla. I live in that big house over there. I'm, I guess, the owner of this farm. Oh, cool. Yeah, but I'm kind of new and a nerd, so normally I don't really have friends. But if you would like, oh, and I also have like a little roommate, but she just sleeps on the floor. She likes to do that. Soon she should be. Who are you? Oh, I'm Kayla. I live right over there in that big building, and I guess you can call me the owner of this place. But yeah, you could call me the owner if you would like. I would not. Now, please. All I want to do is just go inside. Ugh. People do too much. And always she had to move us here where people was. Why can't we just make our own farm? Oh, this is her room. I need to go to bed. I'm tired. But she said I could use it whenever I need to. And I need to right now. Huh? May I ask, Trader? What's wrong with her? Yeah, I like to get along too. And why did you move to a public farm if she wanted to be alone? That doesn't make sense. So you guys just picked here? Well, I guess that's fine. Well, people have to take care of though. More? Oh my god. Okay, bye. Wow. It's only noon. I must have woke up super early. Well, I guess I should start my day now. Street is actually nice. I don't know about the other girl. I actually don't know her name yet. So yeah. There we go. A lot of farm work to do. Well, but at least I have bread forever. Even though we'll get tired. This is why I love this city. Because it was all different foods. I don't know if I should even go back to the city. But I guess I should feed my animals. There you go. Well, but I guess it's time for Sammy's walk. Good timing too, it's turning night. Sammy! Sammy! Hey girl, time for your walk. Sammy? Oh. Come on. Let's do a few laps. Come on. This is really tiring. One more lap. One more lap. One more lap. One more. Whew, that was a nice one. Oh God. Oh, I don't have no food for my mammy. I hope it'll be fine. There. And I'll drink some juice. Yummy. Wow, today was a great day. I wonder how tomorrow will be.